I feel like I look very pale. Hey guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a new Yeezy unboxing. Ta-da! If you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you know when I bring out a new video. And if you're already subscribed and haven't clicked that bell, make sure you do so, because otherwise YouTube will not tell you when I bring out a new one. Apparently, these didn't sell out, which is very, very odd for Yeezys, which is crazy. But I must be super, super lucky because I managed to get them from a certain website that I shop from with a discount, which is insane. Your man's got a plug. Yeah, I have a plug. I got these with a discount, which is insane. And hopefully all future Yeezys from now on. Probably gonna jinx it by saying that. Anyway, so yeah, Yeezy 500 Utility Black. I've already got them in the blush colorway. I don't have Supermoon Yellow because I wasn't a fan of it. But I love the blush ones so much. I've worn them, I got them just before I went to Bali, and I wore them in Bali, I wore them in LA loads, and I've been wearing them a little bit since I came back, but more the 700s to be honest. But I do love the 500s so much, so I did think that I'd cop them in black as well, especially since I was able to get a discount on them. I was like, it'd be stupid not to, considering I spent $700 on the blush ones because I wanted them that badly. So you've got your typical 500 cardboard box. It did come a bit dented, which somebody pointed out on my Instagram story. Thanks for that, yeah. And here they are in all their glory. Do you know what's really funny? They're called Utility Black and they do look black, but actually they're not true black. They're more of a really deep indigo or like a grey. And that's what I love so much about them, especially since these have the 3M piping as well, which gives a reflective kind of line all the way around them. They are like the baby brother of the boot version. Do you see the similarities? Do you see the suede? Do you see? And they're the same kind of colour as well. Actually, these are more purple than these though. My 500s are so dirty. People are going to get so angry at me. I really need to clean them. But I did wear these at Coachella and in Bali. But these are the blush ones compared to the Utility Black ones. I feel like the Utility Black ones I could wear it and scuff up a little more just because you won't tell as much. You can really tell on these. Jesus, Joel. So a little overview of the Utility Black. I started seeing these when the Kardashians started posting them and I was like, what the hell are those? I need those. They were using them on the Yeezy website to show me the other products, the black colorway. I was like, they're really cool. You've got like premium suede along the toe box, and then you've got suede little panels where the eyelets for the laces go. You've got the leather paneling on the tongue. You then have mesh on the sides, and then you've got the adiprene sole. I must say the 500s are super, super comfy, so I expect these to be exactly the same. I went true to size. I got them in a UK 9. I knew that they'd be good because the 500s were the same. I feel like 500 and 700s are all true to size, whereas actual, you know, like Yeezy 350s and 350 V2s were all super, super tight. Like my foot could not breathe when I went true to size, so I always had to go up. But these, I think, I would say are true to size. Again, depends on the size of your foot. I'd love to know what you guys think of the Utility Black colorway. I think these will be quite interesting to style, to be honest, because I don't really wear a lot of shoes that are just black. I've obviously got like Vans that are like black and white, and I've got the desert boots as well that I've actually not worn as much as I want to. I did have the all black Calabasas Power Phase, well I still have them, but they're so gross. They're like dress shoes. They're like when you go to school and you have to wear a pair of old black leather shoes. Those Power Phase on are actually gross and don't go with any outfits. They don't have any like thing to them. Well, the black pair, they're kind of like creamy golden pair are really, they look nice, and the grey pair look cool, but the black ones, no. So yeah, so apparently they are still in stock on the Yeezysupply website, but beware if you're ordering internationally, because I ordered this season 5 t-shirt the other day in Jupiter. The t-shirt cost me $135, including shipping to the UK, and then UPS gave me a customs charge of £70, which is basically what the t-shirt cost me in dollars. And basically the Yeezysupply website had put that the cost of that package was $300 when in fact it was only $135, so the shipping charge the customs charge should have been a lot less, basically like half, so like £30. So I ended up paying a lot in shipping. So UK customers or people that aren't in the US, if you do order off Yeezysupply, I didn't get these from Yeezysupply, but if you do order from Yeezysupply, beware the customs charges because they might put the wrong things. Basically what you can do is you can, I've printed out the invoice that UPS gave me and gonna print out the receipt of what I paid for the email receipt of what I paid on the Yeezysupply website. You can send them, I have to send them to HMRC, which is like the UK customs government or whatever, and they're gonna give me a refund for what I deserve to pay for that t-shirt. That is my rant about the Yeezysupply website. There's other things that I want to order off Yeezysupply, but faced with that customs charge, I'm just like, is this really worth it? Depending on like, what if they get it wrong next time and they put the cost of like £1,000, then I have to pay like £500. It's just a bit of a joke. I wish people would do their job. You have one job, guys, Yeezysupply. You have one job. Having said that, love the Utility Black 500s. Can't wait to start wearing them. Gonna show you what they look like on.
If I go, I'll fight you just to drag it out. Hang on till it hurts. Think of you with her. Sleeping in your shirt.
If there are any in stock, I'll leave them in the linked in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Maybe if we just talk, we'll find what we once lost. Try working it out, working it out. We could stay right here, forget why we came here. Just like